Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price go in, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. End of day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. If you ain't got no chicken wings, you ain't got no trade. So let's go in 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo bango. Bingo bangos in the chat. I said bingo bangos. What's going on, guys? My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade without the tuition. Everything we show you here is for free. If you want to join my paid group, it's not to learn how to trade. Granted, you will learn faster, but it's just for trade setups, updates. You can ask questions pretty much anytime. But let's get started, guys. Let's get started. The chat's crazy. Let's see here. Crypto bubbles on the daily. We got my X down 21%. Good Lord. Sui up 12.7%. Now, granted, all these coins have been going down like a lot. So seeing double digits is good, but just know that we need to break the highs. We need to break the highs. Shep says, I'm here for the tuition, not the trade. There you go. There you go. That's what it's about, guys. I love you guys so much. And we're getting our steps in. We're getting our steps in. Been putting off the steps all day. I was going to do it earlier. And then I found an excuse, another excuse, another excuse. And finally it's like, all right, let's go. Crypto bubbles on the hourly. Uh-oh. Does this mean Bitcoin is going down? Well, we're going to find out in just a moment. Crypto fear and greed index. Refresh this. We were at 26. Ooh-wee. We're at 44. Good Lord. 44. That is a huge jump. 18 points. Wow. Market is very bullish today. Very bullish. Can it continue? We're going to find that out too. Liquidations heat map. Refresh the page. We're going to go to the 24-hour time frame. We're going to adjust this to 0.5 thanks to our buddy Al. There we go. We also have this clicked liquidations map, so we can look a little fancy. Right now, we have liquidations to the top side. Once again, right around 95. We have a lot of liquidations to the downside. Why? People are going long. When people are going long, where do we put our stops? We put our stops underneath the pivot. We have stops here at 93,276, 55.19 million. Good Lord. We have stops underneath this pivot as well. 46 million, about 92.9. Then some more down here, and some more down here, 33 million and 92.4. And then a whole bunch down here, a whole bunch. And that's what we do. That's how we trade. We put our stops underneath resistance or support, basically pivots. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. We're going to say hi to chat in just a second. Not so much on the top side. And this is for people going short. I mean, there is 27.6 million sitting at 96. We have a lot of liquidations to the downside. And that's because, well, once again, people are going long. Let's go to the 3-day. So what we do here on this channel, if you're new, we simplify trading. Trading does not have to be as difficult as a lot of traders make it. I think they make it difficult. They have acronyms. They make up their own acronyms, abbreviations, so they can sell you a course, so they can sell you a boot camp, so they can sell you memberships. Oh man, he said something new and I've never heard that before. I have to join their group to learn about it. And then you find it's the same old scenario, but they are just repackaging what we already know. That's all they're doing. And nothing against that. They're marketing themselves. They're selling stuff. But all this stuff you can get for free. Not only from me, but a lot of other really good traders. Not only that, but the internet. Lots of liquidations, 3-day time frame. Lots of liquidations to the downside. Look at all this. Good Lord. Whole bunch. We still have this block. I mean, there's so much to the downside. And again, because we're going long. Everybody's going long. Let's go to the weekly. And look at the chat. Jeez. Nice block of liquidation. Right around 91.6. That's the bottom of the block. 92.1 is the top of the block. We have another nice liquidation block. 89.1 to 88. Nice block. 48.5 million, 74 million, 46 million. There's a whole bunch of millions in here. Our next block is 88.3 to 88 or 87.8. 42 million, 62 million, 51 million, 63 million. Lots of millions down here, guys. 47 million. Whole bunch. We have another block, liquidations, starting around 87.1, all the way down to about 86.7, 42 million, 50 million, 57 million, 80 million, 57 million, 82 million, whole bunch of millions. Now, just because we have a lot of blocks of liquidation to the downside doesn't mean it's going to go down. No. But if it does, it cannot go down without breaking levels. This is why we trade level by level. Joe, you running out of breath? A little bit. A little bit. All right. Let's see here. Shep, before this thing was able to register, Shep says, let's see. Let's see here. So at the very beginning, oh no, it's newbie crypto. He says, who's making gains on this short from the top with newbie 333 in the chat? Join my Discord, 99.99. Let's go. That's funny. Let's see here. Let's go to Clash. Ooh, doggy. Clash. We were talking about, been talking about, and here, I'm thinking we come up. I would like to have seen it pull back. This would have been great. This is my plan A. Or to go up a little bit, at least to bounce here and then come up. It just took off. It took off to the moon. Very nice. Everybody who's in Clash. All right. So my penny says, my shirt says, a penny for your thoughts? Seems a little pricey. Seems a little pricey. So you're going down the list. I like this shirt. Let's see here. Let's see here. Where are my newbies at? Let's go. Let's friggin' go. Let's see here. That's going down the list. Oh, let's say hi to people. We got newbie crypto in the house. What's up, newbie? Appreciate you, man, being here. We got Chris, the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, Chris? Appreciate you being here. Floki's Angels as well. Thank you very much. Let's see here. Yeah, he thinks it's famous. He's very popular. He's got great charisma. People love him in the space. But if you're a trader who knows how to trade, you can see through the phoniness. You really can. But there's a lot of people out there that know that he has great networking skills. And even though they know he's a horrible trader, they don't say anything. They commend him. They elevate him. And they will say stuff behind closed doors. I have a lot of traders that have YouTube channels that talk to me. And they let me know how they really, truly feel. But on legends. But on the video, they don't say anything. Hold on, guys. I have Discord open on the other computer. So give me 1 second. I forgot to turn it off. Let's see here. 1 second. Where? My camera. All right. Give me 1 moment.
See you tomorrow. Good night.
All right. I had to put my speakers on mute. All right. And I'm back. I should have checked my trades. All right. Let's see here. But yeah, I have a lot of traders that reach out to me. We talk. A lot of people on YouTube, and they'll show me screenshots of what he's doing and like just how bad he is. I thought, oh yeah, but then they only say it behind closed doors, because they don't want to be shunned, and I get it. They don't want to be shunned. It's a business. You don't want to close doors, I guess, burn bridges. Me, I don't care. Shoot, if I find somebody who's harming new traders, I'll speak up. Morals, ethics, integrity, that's what I have. Not saying that they don't, but I make it known. Going down the list. So here. You funny. Harp says, I brought the chicken wings. Let's go. What's going on, Harp? Appreciate you, man. I'm here for the emotional support. There you go. There you go. Johnny December, best name in crypto. What's up, man? Appreciate you. Hey guys, I'm in a Zoom, but here. What? Appreciate the smashing of the like. Appreciate you being here. You guys are great. All right. So what we do here is we don't spend 20, 30 minutes of how you could have made money, what you should have done, how you could have seen this and entered here. We don't do any of that crap. I'll leave that for the other traders or the other YouTubers. We show you the thought process we had the day before and what happened. So here, yesterday, we were here and I was saying, well, day before yesterday, because this is the continuation, I think. Day before yesterday, we were saying, I would like to see a pullback, 382, 0.5, be really nice and healthy. If we go up from here, retracing only 23% or 24%, it says 0.236. It's extremely bullish, FOMO city. Everybody's gonna, because what it's doing is not retracing, it's not pulling back healthy, and it's continuing to go up. And when that happens, we can do something like this, where we go up, up, up without retracement. Then when we do pull back, sometimes we pull back very hard. Exhibit A. We go up here. This would have been a really nice area to continue going up. We broke the level. That's why we trade level by level, gave it all back. So what we're doing is we're showing you level by level. Now, yesterday, I believe we were here. And when we were here, we were saying, once again, because it pulled back to the 3.2 already, and more time has passed, we do not want it now breaking the 3.2. Before, it was okay. Here, it was okay to go to 0.5. Because it pulled back to 3.2, more time passed. If we would have broken the 3.2 to come down to 0.5, now the momentum is kind of slowing down. Because momentum is kind of slowing down, we have the chance of this happening. So once again, we just take the information the market's giving us, and then we go with it. Then we saw yesterday, it mooned. It went to the moon. It broke. It didn't break below the 3.2. Came up, doing this number. Same thing here. We want to see it pull back at least to 3.82. 0.5. This is good. It just went sideways, sideways, sideways. Same scenario. 236 went up. Very bullish. It's extremely difficult to short when there's FOMO. Can you catch the top? Sure. Can you brag on X? Sure. However, I trade much safer, much safer. We did pull back barely, just shot up. Now we're here and we're still in our long from way over here, somewhere over here. We're still in long. I gave this setup not only to the VIP, but I believe also here on YouTube. And the setup, we normally I go 75x, but this one I did a little bit more cautious, did 30x, because you know it could have rolled over, so I just did 30x. This is one of the positions that I closed. I think I've taken profit like 2, maybe 3 times, I forget. And now I entered a short. If you're in the VIP, you got this call. Not only that, but I was actually in JR's Discord. If you're not in JR's Discord, you're missing out. I have a Discord too, but JR's is fire, big time fire. And I gave this setup after I gave it to my VIP as far as the short, because we're looking, we still have our long open, and I actually updated my VIP group to move our stop loss to right here for our long, and our short, we open it here. This is aggressive. I'm thinking we may go up to about here, 30 SMA, our little zone that we have. Again, I don't know what's going to happen, but if we go up, we might come up here to this box to hopefully come down. If not, if we bounce here and we come up, well, guess what? We get stopped out. Our long keeps on printing. And I got that from PR, printing. And then we get stopped out and our long keeps on printing. However, if we do come down, which it's higher probability that we might, it just depends on the FOMO, then you would be in this short as well. Now, look what happened. I'm thinking we might come up to this box to come down. What did we do? We came up to the box, and right now, currently, we're coming down. Let's see if we continue coming down. If we start going up and we start breaking levels to the upside, then chance we get stopped out. Hopefully we move our stop loss though. If we see it come down, up, down, break a level, move our stop loss. That's what we're looking at. Who's in the chat, guys? Who's in the chat? Put a bingo bango in the chat if you're here. You can type it out. If you have the emojis, you can always definitely just put the emoji. If you're a member, if you're not a member, please consider becoming a member. It does really help support the channel. Keeps the lights on, helps get new equipment, all that fun stuff. Let's see here. Chris says, that shirt is awesome. Yeah. A penny for your thoughts. Seems a little pricey. Let's see here. We got Crypto Change Me in the house. What's up, man? Crypto Change Me says, I came here to smash the like. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. I see that you put out a new video. I was doing stuff when I got the notification. I definitely need to check it out because your videos are bangers. Just straight up, just nothing but knowledge. And Crypto Change Me, he doesn't charge. So go figure. There's more people that like helping other traders. So really good. Let's see here. Oh no. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, Joe, when you get your Lambo, don't forget about me. Hey, I hear that, guys. I hear that. For me, don't want to get a Lambo. I want to get a U-Haul truck. That's what I want to do. Get a U-Haul truck and make it like a studio apartment. That's been my dream for 8 years now. First, it was about vans. And then from there, people started doing box trucks. And with box trucks, you can actually stand up without buying a Sprinter van. Spend like $1 million. But you can get a U-Haul truck and put a kitchen, restroom, your living area. That's all I need. Just me and my cats. So yeah, but no Lambo. No Lambo for me. It's here. Yeah, no Lambo. Chris says, I'll tell you what, Joe. You're looking better since you started walking during the streams. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Starting to pay off for sure. You're flipping awesome. You're awesome, dude. Thank you. A lot of patience and perseverance. Yeah. Yep. And I like doing the walking. One, keeps me accountable. And I like doing it on stream too. Because, again, there's no excuses. It's like, man, I'm going to be here for an hour anyway. Why not walk? So thank you. So I know things have been more bullish lately than bearish. But are you still more bullish or bearish at the moment? Like for tonight. Tonight, I think we're going to come down. But how far, I have no idea. You know, I got my targets. You know, could we bounce? Could this just be a pullback to the 382, like on the 1 hour? And let me show you what I'm looking at. So let me go ahead and hide all of this. Hide this stuff. So if we go to the 1 hour, we can see our extension leg starts here and then just goes up. If you want, you put it on the 4 hour, it's a little clearer, but I'm gonna go magnitude on always. Bottom of this extension leg, all the way to the top. I would like to see it pull back to the 382, which is 91,911. Lots of ones in that, and a 9, double 9. But I would like to see it come back in to this zone before continuation up. Could it possibly go lower? Sure. Could it go to 0.5? Sure, right around 91. Sure. So right now I am looking for a pullback, and then we just see what happens. And here's the thing. Like a lot of traders, they get freaked out. Let's just say this happens. We come down, we come up, do a lower high. Let's just say here, and then it starts coming down. Everybody freaks out because we did a lower high. It's almost impossible. I mean, granted, anything's possible, but it's almost impossible for it to go straight up and not do this lower high. So this is my decision point. What are we going to do now? Are we going to attack this to attack this? Or are we going to roll over and continue coming down to 0.5 and then come up and then, oh, we did another lower high. It's okay. I don't expect it to go and break this high and break this high. And no, we expect pullbacks. Two things: price goes up, price goes down. That's it. It's just a matter of when and where and how long. So we just have to be patient. This now is our decision point. Is it going to come up, attack this level, to attack this level, come back down, then attack this level, or are we going to roll over? So this is what I'm always looking for. This is why I trade level by level, because I never know what's going to happen. Like, I'll do these schematics, and sometimes they play out to the freaking T. It's almost scary. I wish, man, I wish I knew what was going to happen and how and when. I don't. I just trade level by level. We have a higher likelihood that it's going to pull back. Why? Because divergence. Joe, you don't even have any indicators on your chart because it went up. Price does two things. So could it go up from here? Sure. We'll continue printing on our long, but the likelihood of it pulling back is much greater. And then maybe it bounces here. You know, we don't know. And that's what I wait for. Maybe it does this. And if it comes down, maybe it does it. Good Lord, it's hot in here already. Maybe it does this. So we just wait. We'll wait and see. But this, so right now, do I think it's going to go up? No. Could it? 100% yes, of course. I think we're going to pull back. And we just got to wait to see where we pull back to. I would like this to happen. But this is definitely my plan A. My plan B, for it to go straight up, I don't think it'll happen, so I don't even put it there. I do think this will happen. Could it? Sure. We'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Holy smokes, I lost a lot of the chat. Let's see here. Good Lord, I'm losing all the chat. Let's see here. Newbie says, now if he buys, I can't read it. I can't read the chat. Let me see. Come over here. Let's see here. Guys are going crazy in the chat. Going up. Let's see here. Okay. So answer that question. Newbie earlier said, definitely still more bullish than I am short though. Oh yeah, sure. And because right now everything is bullish, but we do need indicators to cool off and we need pullbacks. Now it just depends on what happens. So after we get a pullback, which is healthy, you know, are we going to start breaking the lows? We break the first low, oh crap, level 1. We break the second low, oh crap, level 2. But hopefully we get our pullback and we come up and we don't break the level. So then okay, let's go back to bullish. But right now we're just looking for retraces. And the retraces could turn into potential reversals. But we won't know until more time passes. And right now we're just, you know, everything's going up. So here, catching up on the chat. Is that Road Dog? Hey, we got Road Dog in the house. Nice. So let me catch up on the chat. Two chats up, one of them disappears, the other one doesn't. So here, okay. Newbie, Shep says, newbie. Now, if he buys a classic muscle car, that's cool. Yeah, man, my dream has been a 76 Corvette Stingray, yellow, canary yellow. My dream car. One of my drinking buddies in San Antonio, he had one. Man, I was so jealous. He had a good job though. I think he was a carpenter, construction worker, something. I don't know. Young dude, good looking dude, and just amazing vehicle. Oh my gosh, that was his, weekend car. Let's see here. Oops. Let's see here. Man, Joe, you got into that short? Yeah, I got into that short. Low key risky. Not really. This is my short setup. So I got in here thinking that we may come down. If I was watching this, as I would have seen it come up to my 30 SMA, I would have added to my trade. But I was outside. And I didn't see. This here I would have entered. Or added. I entered down here thinking it was going to come up. So what I do is I enter, and I actually gave this thought process on JR's Discord too. So if you're not in there, get in there. And if there's any admins in here, can you put JR's Discord? If you want this in real time and updates and everything else, then you join my VIP. But if you don't have money, it's okay. Just ask me questions here. I'll show you my whole thought process. But I'm thinking we're going to come down. Now, why would I enter here if I'm thinking we're going to come up? One, I knew I wasn't going to be watching it. I was going to go outside. And two, what if we just dumped like crazy? Again, I don't know. We could have come up, and we did, but it doesn't mean that it has to. I wish every time I drew this, it went the way. But it just could have just continued coming down. So at least I'm in the trade. I wanted to add, but it is what it is. Let's see here. Jesse says, just got in. Bingo bango from Shep. I like it. OJ in the house. What's up, OJ? See here. Y'all see my face? It's sweating. Good Lord, it's hot. Got Magnets in the chat. We got JR, the man, the myth, the legend. What's up, man? JR's in the chat. Let's see here. Bingo bangos. Nice. Lots of bingo bangos. I love it. Chris, I just read the comment. I'm getting myself a little airplane for sure. Let's go. Let's go. Shep says, I just want a Winnebago. Hey, there you go. Just a little, I thought it said Caesars. 172 or something. Little Cessna. There you go. Nice, 1972. See, going down the list. Sugarheart says, get yourself tacos instead. Yum, yum. Let's go, tacos. Printing jellies. Very nice. Okay, going down the list. And Road Dog says, me thinks Lambos are cursed in crypto. Yes, I was thinking the same thing. It's funny, Road Dog, you say that. I was thinking the same thing. Let's see if I can bring that up. Yeah, BitBoy got one. You saw what happened to him. Crypto Revolution got one. You saw what happened to him. And now, Mr. Yeah, man, yeah. It's so funny to me. It's very comedic. Like, he is literally surprised. Like, I'm sure the FBI's, FBI's plural. I'm sure the FBI, if they hooked him up to a monitor, it would show that his surprisedness, and body experts would show that him being surprised that his trades are actually going his direction are 100% authentic, to where he's not faking it, because he truly is surprised when his trades go. Like right here, I'm a trader. I think price is going to go up, come down. Price went up, came down. Am I hooting and hollering and, yeah, guys, look, you see, I know exactly what's going to happen and blah, blah, join my group and this, that. And right now we're in profit. Who got to trade with me? This is what I do. I trade. It's not my first beer. It's not the first time I kiss a girl. Like, this happens all the time, guys. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Losing is part of the game. And when I lose, I point that out. And we go over the trade. What happened? Why was there a loss? Was it just the market? Maybe I had my stop loss too tight. Maybe I was trading with too high leverage. We analyze the trade. And that's what you do as traders. But if you're trading with emotions and, oh man, yeah, I'm up $40, I'm up $200, and no, don't do that. Or at least real traders don't do it. Let's see here. On the list. Chef. Joe, you should have a chicken wing truck. That's funny. Let's see here. Road Dog, I'm so happy you're here, dude. I love you, Road Dog. There's a lot of times where I'll be on your stream, but sometimes you stream kind of late. So I'll just have it in the background on my phone as I'm going to sleep. And I'll try to be active in the chat. But yeah, Road Dog's let's give shout outs. Road Dog is great, man. All right. So come over here. The Art of Crypto. This guy right here, JR, really good. So for JR, he has a free Discord. If you're in Discord and you love Discord, I don't. Definitely join his Discord and watch his videos, subscribe to him. He's dude, like he went over 100 subscribers already. He just started. And again, he's showing you his crypto journey. That's what he's doing. Wave Cypher, I love Wave Cypher. Let's see here. Road Dog. Road Dog's another one. Now, Road Dog has a Telegram group. I believe it's free. There's a portion where he's finally doing like a paid portion, which is great. Before, I didn't like, paid groups. Granted, I have a paid group, but, in my opinion, like you have to pay tuition. You really do. So, Road Dog, he has a section, I believe. It's very inexpensive, like great. Like you spend more at McDonald's one time, I'm sure, than what his group costs for a month or a year or whatever it is. But definitely check out Road Dog. He's really good too. He's really good. A lot of free content on his site. A lot of free things to look at. As a new trader, you want to get as much free stuff as possible so you can make money. And then if you like the people, well, then you can join their groups, their paid groups, or you can donate to them. Let's say Road Dog, he makes you money on a trade, thought process, whatever, not financial advice. You send him a tip. Hey man, thanks for the trade. Thanks for helping me out. I'm learning. Here's a little something for you. Same thing with the Art of Crypto. Send them money. Because again, like we paid tuition. We lost lots of money to learn. Same thing with Infinite Team TA. Here's another good one. Definitely check him out. It's funny. Infinite Team TA, he was in the CBC group. Same thing with a lot of other people that are here. They were in the CBC group. Crypto Change Me. It's another great one. I think this is going to be bigger than me by a lot. I need to watch this video. But here's another great one. And he gives you his thought process. And to me, that's the most important thing, is the thought process. The who, what, where, when, why. Why are you into the trade? What are you looking at? Why are you looking at what you're looking at? And he explains his stuff very, very well. And I love how he talks trash. I wouldn't say talk trash. I love how he's so honest. This dude is really honest. And he calls it like he sees it. All these guys that have Lambos and everything, they're doing it because they have paid groups. That's what they're doing. Me, Damien's another one. There's a lot of them. Hey, Damien goes live at 4 to 6, Monday through Friday. So, you know, check him out as well. Yeah, a lot of great people. And I'm sweating. I'm putting in the work today. I'm sweating. Good Lord. And it was cold too. I was going to have my jacket on. Let's see here. Going down the list. Yeah. And it's sad too. Like, Big Boy went crazy. My ex-boss. Some people say he went crazy. It's really sad. It really is. You know, you go from nothing to making some money, to making some really good deals, then, you know, having a group, making a bunch of money off the groups. And then you're able to, because it's free money, you're able to buy coins and hold them because you don't need to sell. And then they, you know, boom, 2 years later, a year, 5 years, whatever, from free money, let's just say 20,000 turns into $1 million for free, for them anyway. But yeah, let's see here, going down the list, see here. See here, 9 hours. So now, I'm not sure what that was in reference to. Maybe to sleep or something. See here. But now this. Oh, so now my mic works. Yeah, that's the first thing I do is as soon as I start, I try my best to look down and see if it's on. Sometimes, like when the computer restarts or whatever, it'll switch the mic settings. That's happened to me like 3 times. But I always have the chat to where I can see it. So if something does happen, like I can catch it fairly quick. Let's see here. Jesse says, been with my DJs all night. Yeah. I'm long in my long. Let's go. Yeah, I believe that, Jesse. I believe that. Hope your mic works tonight. No. No refunds. No refunds. Melissa, one love in the house. What's up, Melissa? Appreciate you. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are the best. Any coins y'all want me to do? Man, I am sweating today. Good Lord. Let's see here. Yes, good night, Jesse. If you're going to sleep, good night. Let's see here. So Bitcoin did come up, coming down, breaking this level, which is good. Hopefully we get our first target. Now, granted, I'm still in the long, and I was explaining this, like my VIP group already knows this stuff, but I was explaining this in JR's Discord. Whenever, for me personally, Bitcoin, I normally always traded 75x. Long, short, always 75x. But if I get stopped out more than I would like, whether I'm losing or I'm barely covering my fees, to me, that's kind of like a loss. Like if I go 75x leverage, if I get anything underneath 75%, I don't consider that a win. And there are times where I'll take profit at like 35%, move up my stop loss to cover my fees, and I get stopped out. So for me, I don't consider that a win. But I was getting stopped out, I think like 2 or 3 times. I think I lost. I took profit, but I didn't move my stop loss because I was thinking that you just give it some more breathing room, then my stop loss hit. But I go, no, let me just do 30x. So 30x for my long, and then for my short, because hopefully this is just short term and we bounce up. If that's the case, let me get what I can get, and then let the long continue printing. So we'll see. Any questions, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? Once again, we do this every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. We give you free mentorship right now. You can ask questions in reference to trading strategies. There's a lot of different strategies, thought process, indicators. Granted, I don't have any indicators. I have moving averages right now at the VWAP. But like, now's your time to ask. Like, this is what I wish I had when I started. I didn't have this. All I had was YouTubers showing all these results: 80% gains, 40% gains, 30% gains. Join my group, blah blah. And you know, they show like 6, maybe even 8 like trades that are doing really well. And so you join their group, you pay $1,000 or $1,500 or $2,000 or whatever it is, and then you realize once you join their group, they're posting 10, 15, 20 charts a day. You do the math, that's a lot of charts for 7 days. And then they only had 8 results. Well, they don't tell you that part until you join. They take your money. And then if you start losing, well, did you watch all the 120 videos that we have that are 8, 12, 15 minutes long, that only have really content of 2 to 4 minutes? No. Well, then it's your fault. Oh, okay, thanks. But yeah, so here what I do, I show you how to trade for free, show you the thought process for free. If you like it, then you can join the free Discord that I have. Links in the description in the link tree. You can, now in the Discord, I only do like Bitcoin updates. I do like videos for my VIP group. If you like Telegram, please join the free portion of the Telegram. Reach out to me, trade_intuition. I forward my Bitcoin videos to the free group. Not all of them, but most of them. And if you know what Bitcoin's doing or might do, then you have a really good outlook on your altcoins. So that's, I mean, I'm showing you guys like so much and for free. And of course, if you have money and you want to help support the channel, then you do the VIP. You don't have to though. I would love it if you did, but you don't have to. And to me, it's just, I wish, like when I joined, people weren't as greedy as they were. Granted, I was greedy too, because I saw all of them results. So yeah. Let's see here. The stepper 1.4. We've been going for 46 minutes. We have traveled 1.09 miles. Let's go. Let's see here. Good Lord, I thought that was going to happen. Forgot to move the thing. Let's see here. Okay, good. JR's Discord. Thank you. Okay. Let's see here. Catching up on the chat. I was like, why isn't the chat moving? But it's because I needed to move that other one. Okay. Very true. See here. See you tomorrow. Very nice. I would drive a Geo Metro before I drove a Lambo. There you go. I didn't sell when I was $200 up. That's a lot of tacos. Yes. Very true. Yes, I agree. Man, I'm so glad because me and Jesse, we had kind of like the same sleep schedule. We didn't sleep, but now I'm sleeping. I sleep good too. Oh yeah, definitely, man. Like I said, your Discord's fire, dude. I love being in there. Love the people that are in there. The thought process, everything. To hear. Oh yeah, I need to do that. When I see JR chat again, I'll do that. Banner, what's up, Banner 727? What's up, man? Bingo bango. Let's go. See here. Who's more Mexican, you or OC? I'm gonna say OC by a lot, because I know more English than Spanish. He knows more Spanish than English, I think. I don't know. I'm pretty sure of it. But No Name, what's up, No Name? Appreciate you, man. Long time. See here, Shep says, newbie, all kinds of things wrong with that question. Oh, let's see here. Lambo Guy said he was in one of his biggest trades, up 3K, 8K. So how Lambo? Yeah, exactly. See here, Joe knows it loves. Oh, well, just to spice up the chat a little more. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, indeed. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. See here, Shep says, Joe, not sensitive. Nah, I'm far from it. And if anybody challenged me, I ask questions. They're like, oh man, your trading sucks. It's okay. Like, what sucks about it? Like, let's get detailed. Let's have a chat. Let's have a discussion. Not a debate, but a discussion. And if you have the willingness to listen and hear, maybe I might show you something. And same thing with me. I will have the willingness to listen to your thought process. And then I'll ask you questions so you could, like demonstrate your points of why you do what you do. But yeah. See here, and there wasn't anything wrong with the question. I just messed around. Oh yeah. Did you ask a question? Did I answer it? I don't remember. Oh, it's still free? There you go. It's still free. I've been telling Road Dogg for a long time, like, you need to charge, man. You really do. So get in now while it's free. Get in now while it's free. There's a lot of resources, guys. Lots of resources. And like I said, I wish I knew about all the resources that were out there before doing what I did. I really do. And then I paid for 5 mentors. It's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money. Newbie says, yeah, Joe's a real one. Yeah. Yep. Yes. And that good ass coffee. Very true. Very true. Let's see here. Chip says, be a good human and stay honest and humble. Yeah. Very true. Now, don't just say, I'm humble, and then flex your Rolex and say, now show me yours. Don't say you're humble and show your beautiful closet that has a ceiling fan in it and then say, show me yours. Don't be humble and say, look at my grill that I just installed. That's beautiful, a bit small, but beautiful. And say, show me yours. Don't post a picture of your restroom. Big ass restroom, big restroom, beautiful restroom. Like something in a catalog. And then say, I'm humble. Now show me yours. Don't do that. That's not being humble. Not being humble at all. Now, some people say, oh, well, him showing his Rolexes, that's just motivation for people to, blah, blah. It's like, no, it's not. That's not motivation. Like, people who have Rolexes, great. Good for you, man. Like, you have money for that. Do what you like. You like art. You like Rolexes. You like cars. Buy it. Do what makes you happy. But don't say you got the stuff that you have from trading, because you're lying. You get it from trading, and if you did, you got it because it's free money and you just hold it. It wasn't from trading, it was from investing, which in my opinion, investing is the smartest thing to do. But yeah, blue collar trades. What's up, buddy? Can we look at Jupiter and Cass? Yes, Jupiter, Cass. Okay, Cass is at take TB1 and TB3. Oh, you want TB1, TB3? Hey, what's up, LJ? Long term. So I'm guessing long term on Cass, Floki, and Cake. Okay, 1,000 Floki and Cake. Okay. See here, XRP at 240 now. Holy smokes, yeah. We need to look to short that bad boy. XRP. See here, Newbie Crypto says, if you had to choose one trader to follow, who would it be and why? Ooh, great question. If I could only pick one trader to follow, who would it be and why? Oh man, that's a tough one. One trader. I would have to say Tom Crown. And I'll give you reasons. Tom Crown, he understands market cap, he understands poop coins, he understands trade. Well, Mark, yeah, I'm going to say Tom Crown. Tom Crown, hands down. Now, the one that comes in really close to second would be Frankie Candles. Frankie Candles is really good too. You know, he has indicators and stuff like that. He's really good too. So those would be my top two people for trading. I'm trying to think, should I put Frankie Candles above Tom Crown? Tom Crown, it's easier to understand. So if you're brand new, I would say Tom Crown. And if you've been trading for a little bit and you have the understandings of trading, then Frankie Candles. Because Frankie Candles, more indicators, a little bit more on the advanced side. But those would be my top two. Now, granted, there's a lot of other traders that are really great. You know, you have Crypto Change Me for one, really great trader. You have JR, another great trader. You have Road Dog, another great trader. Like, there's a lot of great traders out there. And the ones that I mentioned that weren't Frankie Candles or Tom Crown, they have free content, free groups, stuff like that. But man, that was a tough question. Good question. See here, I think I may have asked you this before, but I need your take on Ginkgo. So, what is your absolute favorite tool to use in trading? Mine is the fib. So my favorite tool, because I can see the fibs. So if I can only pick one, I want to have to go with, because I understand the fibs, you know, just estimates, you know, 38%, 50% of the move. I'm going to have to go with the VWAP. The VWAP, because if the price is above it, it's strong. If it's below it, not so strong. So I would definitely, and it has to do with, let me show you. And I love this too. And if you have like questions on any coins, but put this in ChatGPT, you know what, but this is just Google. What is the VWAP? It's the volume weighted average price. Anything with average in it, I like. Because if the price above it, it's good. If it's below it, not so good. It's an indicator showing the average price for the day or the time frame, weighted by the volume. Volume is very important. So that's why I like that. Let's see here. Let's go. Okay. When you are so-called humbled, well, it flux. Yeah. I don't even know Tom Crown trades. Oh yeah. Yeah, he'll do chart setups and everything. And he's like very basic. And for me, basic works. That's what I do. Now, granted, I show you other things, but Tom Crown, I really like the dude. He gave us a shout out. The last time I was on his show or in his audience. I love Tom Crown. We used to talk, not a lot, but in the bear market, last bear market. And I need to talk to him. Just say hi. I haven't done that in a while. Jason Casper, you're number one. Yeah, Jason Casper. I really don't watch him too much. I like him. I think he's an excellent rapper. I like his energy. I love the fact that he's living the life, you know, got land, animals, eating vegetables, eating right, exercising, great shape, just living the dream. So I really haven't watched him too much though. But let's get started. Joe, we're in overtime. I know. Oh, believe me, I know. I'm walking. So we're gonna do Jupiter, Cast, 1000 Floki, Cake, XRP. Let's go here to Jupiter first. Jupiter, crypto, loafing, Jupiter. Go to daily. Jupiter looks really good. I would really love to see a pullback. How much is that pullback? 8%, 6%, 10%. Oof. Okay. So for Jupiter, it looks really nice. Man, I'm tired of walking already. I think it's because I'm old. So right now, we're coming into a zone. The zone's pretty large though. What's the zone? 10%. Okay. So we have a 10% zone that we're about to bump our head on. So this is a zone we're about to bump our head on. But I do like it. I would love to see a retrace. Even if it pulled back more than 50%, we still have this nice strong level here. So what I would like to see is for us to maybe go up a little bit more. Come down to about here. Come up. Wait for it. Okay, fine. I just do it like this. And in the middle of this zone, come down. Top of the zone, come down. Come on. That's what I like to see. 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm looking at all the ups and downs. And the area that would be okay to pull back to would be right here. And I'll bring out the fibs in just a second. This is my area. And we'll make this one this color. We have gone 62 minutes. 62 minutes. Traveled 1.44 miles. 1.4 on the speed. So that's what I would like to see. Could we enter now? Man, we're really looking for a pullback right now. Man, I'm sweaty. So here, can't catch rain candles because I'm a one-way trader. Let's go. Let's go. So we moved up, barely pull back. This is like FOMO nation right now. Went up, pulled back beautifully. Broke this level, coming up. I really want to see it pull back here, then start coming up. Could you enter now? Sure. But just expect to pull back about 10%. So this would be aggressive because I'm expecting a pullback. This, we come down, we start coming up. This will be aggressive too. But then once we break into here, hopefully it's going to be a little bit safer, just for the fact that, you know, we're breaking these highs. We come up and then we can add to our trade here as well. And then once we break above this. And then the reason we're doing 3 times this time instead of just 2 is because the market could change and be like, oh, it's done. That was our alt season, which only lasted a couple days. And now we're making lower lows, lower highs. So yellow always equals aggressive entries. White equals safer entries. Okay. Let's see here. We got Jupiter. Let's do CAS. CAS. For CASPA, we were thinking when we were here, pull down, go up. Then when we saw it here, I was thinking come down all the way, come up. It did come down, but not as far as I thought it was going to come down. Then if the alert was set here at 0.04870, 4-hour candle needs to close above it. Would we have entered? We would have entered on this candle. Yes, with the thought process that it would have pulled back. So we would have entered here based off of our previous discussion, looking for a pullback to come up, get rejected, come up, and then we add here as well. And this would have been our level that we're looking at. So right now, would I enter this one? No. The other one we just looked at, Jupiter, looks better. Because for this one, there was no pullback. Jupiter had its pullbacks. This one is just pretty much straight up. So if this pulls back, which it would be healthy if it did, I think that we may pull back to, and this will be really healthy. I think we may pull back to 0.04790. And then if we do, what we could do, 4-hour time frame, we could enter here. And then if this is a pivot, once we break, come down, come up, we can add to our entry. That's the thought process on that one. But would I enter this right now? No. Because I think it might roll over. Let's do 1,000 Floki. Floki. Oof, doggy. This one went up. Crazy went up. So this would have been a safer entry. 4-hour candle needs to close above this. Would I have entered on this one? I don't think so. How much did it move? From the down to 15%. Because it's a meme coin, we had a thing right here saying 4-hour alert, blah blah. What I always do. This one, same thing. We would have entered here, and I'm not saying that because it went up, but we expect it to pull back into this zone, and then we can add to our trade here. But instead, it just went up, came down. Would I have added here? Not really. It moved too much. I'm expecting it to roll over, do something like that. But it moved up too much. So would I even consider this as a trade? No. I consider it for a short if it breaks this level. But so here's the thing. Like when we have these setups, 4-hour time frame, set your alert. Like these setups are good. Like it may take a while for them to go, but when they go, they're good. And then just expect, especially if they had to move like this, 15%, I expect it to pull back. So you enter some here, you wait for this. If that doesn't happen, it comes up. Well, at least you're kind of in it, 50%. But here, I would do for a short. And I'm actually going to set this too. Just set alert. Okay. Let's see here. Let me catch up on the chat. So here, OJ says, and he spent 90-piece bear scenarios in the middle of a bull run. I don't understand that. And he spent 90-piece bear scenarios. I'm assuming he was calling bear scenarios just so that he could be right if it went down. But because it went up, he also gave bullish scenarios. Like there, and I'm of course referring to the lifer. There's times and I just need to watch him for 5 minutes. I haven't watched him in a while, but I just need to watch him for 5 minutes. And what he'll do is he'll be like, look, we have this bull flag right here that's also an inverse head and shoulders, that's also an Adam and Eve, that's also a rounded bottom. It's like, dude, what the heck are you doing? And then he'll give like bullish and bear scenarios in his thing. So anyway it goes, he's right. And his minions only remember what's right. Let's do cake. Let's see here, cake. So set alert here. It was 15% from here, from when we saw it. I'm thinking the price may come up, to come down, to come up. This is the thought process. Could you have entered when we saw it down here? Sure, of course. Let's see here. We were trying to do like a quick scalp short, and I think we got stopped out before we went to get it. I think that's what happened. This would have been a safer short. We were trying to catch the top, I guess, or wherever we got it. But bigger picture, we're looking for this. Now, if you were watching this, which I wasn't, but if you were watching this, you would see, let's close this up too. Now, I'm not saying this because it already happened. It's very important for me to stress that. You would see, here's a level. This is a low, and this is why we trade level by level. Here's a level. If we break the level, we enter. We broke it barely, but because we went straight up, what do I expect it to do? Because price only does two things, goes up and goes down. Because we only went up, I would expect it to pull back, maybe here, 38, 50%. Let's just look at this, guys. And again, I'm not saying this because I see this. I'm saying this because this is what I do. This is how I trade. From here to here. Let's go ahead and change this to the right. I would like to see this move, pull back 38, 50%. It actually came a little bit further down. Started coming up. Oh, wait. Yeah, I was looking at this. Came down here. So I'm expecting it to pull back. Now, this is my decision point. Is it going to roll over, or is it going to try to attack this? We come up, same area, come down. Okay, now are we going to do a lower high to break this new low, to break this, to come after this, or are we going to come up? We come up. This is when we would enter right here. Kind of close. We already had our run up, pull back, run up, pull back, breaking the levels, we enter the trade. And then sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Again, I'm not saying this because we went up, but this is how we would have traded if we were watching it at this time. Would I trade it right now? No. Why? Expecting a pullback. Joe, you're always expecting pullbacks. Yeah, because price does two things. And right now we've been going up. So could we catch a pullback and then it continue going up? Sure. Could it? So this is, price doesn't go up forever. Let's just say we do this. We come down, we come up, we come down, we break this. Why not? Let's go for a short. You know, with anticipation of it coming down here. We go for a short. When I do a circle with a line, that's a short. When I go for a short, could we only come down to this and bounce up? Sure. Once we start breaking levels to the upside, you know, that's not good. That's not what we're looking for. If we're going for a short, we want to see it roll over and attack this. So if we do come up, okay, stop loss is way up here. We move our stop loss pretty tight, expecting to get stopped out. We get stopped out, starts going up. Okay, well, it's continuing going up. The FOMO is continuing. This was just a little break that it took. But if it's going to retrace, this will be a good area. And you can just short it to here, take your first profit. And then if we do a lower high and break this low, well, we're still in the trade. That's what I got. Newbie Crypto says, okay, I'm back. All right. So appreciate you, man, coming back. OJ says, so I got scared, pulled out too early, and it rocketed. Yeah. And that's what happens. That's what happens. And that's why we set alerts. There's a lot of times too where I'll do the same thing and I won't set my alert. I'll just go do other things. I'll forget about it. I'll look at the charts, whatever. I'll go back and I'll look at it. It's like, ah, dang it, man. I was in it. I got stopped out. Tried it again a day later. Got in it. Got stopped out. And then 2 days later, I see it went up to my target. It's like, dang it, I was just too early. I just went in too aggressively. There's quite a few times where I'll put a setup in my VIP group and I'll tell them, 2x, 4x. Well, I'm going 10x, sometimes 20, depending on the coin. And so I have to have my stop loss really tight and I'll get stopped out and then I'll forget about it. And sure enough, they're still in the trade because they're in a lower leverage, which they can have a lower stop loss. And they're still in the trade and they get the targets. It's like, dang it. And it happens. It happens. Let's do the last one, XRP. And that'll be the show. XRP. We have traveled 1.75 miles. Very nice. Speed is 1.4. We have been doing our stepper for 75 minutes. So XRP, do I think it's going to go forever? No. Why? Because it has a history of giving and taking away. Exhibit A, giving, taking away, all of it. Giving and taking away, all of it. Let's see here. Giving and taking away all of it. Do we need more examples? Giving and taking away all of it. Giving and taking away all of it. So I'm going to double click on the bottom, double click over here. I'm going to get this, click and drag just so I can move this chart around. Do I think we're going to go up forever? Nope. Do I think we're going to come down? Yeah. And when I do, I think we're going to go below the 0.5. Normally, I'm expecting 382, 0.5. Here, because it's Bitcoin, because it's XRP, I'm pretty sure it's going to get maybe to 78%. It's going to retrace 78% of this extension leg. Could I be wrong? Sure. Why not? Wouldn't be the first time. So look at the 1 hour. Right now, there's zero signs for us to enter the short. Could you enter a short right now? Sure, of course, you can do whatever you want. None of this is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. But, we could come down and then continue shooting up, just like it did here, where it came down and continue shooting up. Where it came down, continue going up. Where it came down, continue going up. So that's the danger part of entering shorts when there's FOMO. So let's go to a 3-minute time frame. So for me, I'm going to be entering this short, not right now though, but this is going to be what I'm looking for. I want to see a 3-minute candle close underneath 2.3641. If it does, I'm going to be entering, and my stop loss is going to be, so enter here, we'll make it 4%. So I would be going in like a 4x, maybe 5x leverage. Now, could I enter right now? Sure, this would be extremely aggressive, but I'm risking less because this is only less than 2%. But would I? I don't know. I mean, I might. If I do, very little money. Very little money. But safer entry would be waiting. Now, granted, If you want a safer entry, because 3-minute time frame, it's pretty aggressive. But this coin can move very fast. It could dump very fast. But if you wanted a safer entry, then you're looking at the 15-minute time frame. Higher time frame, safer it's going to be. For the 15-minute time frame, magnitude 1. The candle would need to break below and close, 15-minute candle close underneath 2.3159. See here, either skydiving or 100x, same. Yes, very true. So that would be aggressive entry, a little bit safer entry. And then look at all this that we can take. And then for it to only go to the 382, we're looking at the price 218. And that's nothing. I'm expecting it to go to 0.5 minimum. On average, down here, back to $2.02. So what am I looking at as far as risk to reward? Let's just say we entered here. For my first target, I'm looking at about 6.5%. So, it's just over a 1-to-1. This will be target. And then for our next target would be about almost 10%. So not too shabby. And of course, it could continue going lower. But that's all I got for you guys. If you enjoyed the show, make sure to tell people about the show. We show you how to trade for free. We give you setups. We give you thought process. I'm not here to nickel and dime you and, if you want that secret, you have to join my group and pay me and blah, blah. I show you the non-complicated way of trading. It's the simplistic way. I show you how to trade without the tuition here every single day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with Trade Intuition. So I do thank you guys very much. If you haven't already, smash the like. Let's see who's live right now. Let's see who's live. And let's go over there and let's do Trade Intuition Raid. Let's see here. Man, my face is shiny. I am sweaty. Good sweat today. Man, good sweat. Lunar Beaches is live. And okay, we're gonna go to Lunar Beaches. Make sure to put Trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you guys very much. And we will see you on the next one. Take care, as always. We'll do like 10 seconds of the chicken song. Chicken wing. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Trade Intuition Raid. Appreciate you greatly. Talk to you soon. Bingo bango. Let's make this money. What other catchphrases do you have, Joe? That's all I got. Thank you, guys. I think I'm gonna get into short XRP. Aggressive, very aggressive. All right, see ya. Bye.
Talk clear when you speak, paper talk. Cripple talk, ayy. Ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings. Ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different.